Love your car? Let's make sure it loves you back. Today, we'll share 5 simple car care tips to keep your ride running smooth and looking great. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, regular oil changes. Think of oil as your car's lifeblood. Check it every month and change it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or follow your car manufacturer's recommendations. This simple step keeps your engine running like new. Tip number 2, check your tires. Healthy tires mean a safer drive. Check the pressure monthly, ensure the treads are in good shape, and rotate them every 6,000 miles to prevent uneven wear. Tip number 3, keep it clean. Washing your car regularly isn't just for looks. It protects your paint and prevents rust. Don't forget to wax it every now and then for that extra shine. Tip number 4, inspect your lights. Check your headlights, brake lights, and turn signals to make sure they're all working properly. This not only keeps you safe, but also prevents unnecessary fines. And finally, tip number 5, stay on top of maintenance. Follow your car's maintenance schedule to catch small issues before they become big problems. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated. Show your car some love, and it'll take care of you for years to come. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share these tips with fellow car lovers. Until next time, drive smarter, not harder.